In this video, I'm going to show you on how you can go to the incognito mode on your Chromebook device. And yes, there is a feature that's also available in Chromebook, despite there are a lot of things that are limited in this operating system. Apparently, incognito mode is important enough for Google to actually implement this in this system. So in order to access that, you have to go to Google Chrome. And after that, you can go to this menu and you can click new incognito window, and it will open this section or this new window that is separated from the normal window. And again, this is going to be behaving like a regular incognito window where the browsing data, cookies, site data, etc. won't be saved on your computer. But keep in mind that this is not going to give you 100% privacy, because your activity might still be visible on the website that you visit and also the internet provider. And not to mention, if you're using a Chromebook from school or from a company, then they may be able to see the activity from this incognito mode. It is not perfect, but I guess in some use cases it is good enough. So that's the first method. There is also another method, which is something that you probably have been using before, which is called the guest mode. So if you're going to use the guest mode, it's basically a new separate section in Chromebook that lets the user to not log in to a Google account but still able to browse the website normally. Now, if you want to access the mode, you have to, of course, you have to exit the you have to sign out this session. You can click on it, and then basically you have the option to either enter your PIN to access your Google account, or you can also just browse with the guest mode. But basically, when you log out, you will see this section at the bottom left corner of the screen. You can click browse as a guest, and it will give you access to browse the internet normally, but you are in a guest mode. So this is going to be the interface. It's going to look something like this, and you are in a guest mode, which is similar to the incognito mode, although there are some minor differences. But overall, the history, the site data won't be saved on the device. So that's basically how you can open an incognito window on your Chromebook device. I hope you find this video to be helpful, and if you want to see more tutorial videos like this, then please consider subscribing to this channel, and I'll see you on the next video.